Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
I'm Jim Goddard. I'm speaking with Jim Pettit, CEO and President of Aben Resources. Welcome back to the show, Jim.
Thank you very much, Jim.
Jim, what's new with Aben Resources?
What's news? The last batch of holes we just put out. Actually, it surprised me because it was 15 holes. I was expecting it to be about seven to 9, but they all kind of come piling in while I was away on a marketing trip. They were less than stellar, and I couldn't have thought of a worse time to put out bad news. Right smack in the heart of tax loss selling, but it is what it is. You got to take the good with the bad and move on. We did learn a lot from what we've got now. All that cores-oriented core drilling and helping us get a handle on structure and orientation of what we're looking at, because that's really important.
So where do you go from here? Is there more drilling, more testing?
Yeah, we got 9 more holes to report on, and I'm just off the top of my head, that could be by the end of the month, based on the fact that everything else sort of came in on one big avalanche. After waiting, and all of a sudden, boom, there it is. And so I suspect we'll have that maybe towards the end of the month, and that'll be it for the season, other than data compilation. And I've got some news coming out of the Justin property, I suspect beginning of December-ish, which could be exciting. It's not the primary focus for us this year, but it certainly is. It'll be good news. I'm hopeful. And we'll be getting ready gradually for the Chico project as well later on in, like February, March-ish. Once it's good and frozen, I think we can get in there. And so, we're not without news. The market's come down. It's, it's trading in a range above the last financing. It's not as bad as what happened last year at the end of the season up at Forrest Kerr. But I think it'll have the opportunity to bounce with the amount of news we've got coming out and the other projects kicking in. So, I'm hopeful.
Jim, where is Aben traded?
Aben's trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange, the TSX.V, as well as the OTC QB markets in the States under ABN AF.
And if people needed to get more information about the company, where can they go?
Well, they can certainly go to the website, www.abenresources.com, or call the office, 604-687-3376.
Jim, thanks for the update.
You bet. Thanks.
We've been speaking with Jim Pettit, CEO and President of Aben Resources. I'm Jim Goddard. Our conversation took place on November 22nd.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at HowStreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of How Street Media Incorporated.